This part's sponsored by Coupert, and honestly, I'm actually glad to share it because I've been using it myself lately. If you shop online, even just occasionally, this tool can save you real money without any effort. So Coupert is a free browser extension. You install it once, takes like 10 seconds, and then it just runs quietly in the background. You don't have to open it. You don't have to remember anything. The next time you go shopping online and you're about to check out, Coupert pops up automatically, tries a bunch of coupon codes, and applies the one that actually works. Just one click, and it does the work for you. I didn't even realize how much I was overpaying until Coupert showed me. At checkout, it tested a bunch of codes automatically and found one that saved me real money, like actual dollars off the total. I wasn't even looking for a discount, but it just showed up and did the work. Seeing the price drop instantly? Yeah, that's what made me stick with it. And even when there's no discount code available, Coupert still finds a way to give value. It offers cashback. Over 70,000 stores support it. All you do is click Activate Cashback and continue checking out. That's it. You earn real cashback that gets added to your Coupert account. Later, you can cash it out to PayPal, a gift card, or even straight to your bank. Another thing Coupert does, and this one surprised me, is compare prices across platforms. So if you're about to buy something on Amazon, for example, Coupert might show you that the exact same item is cheaper on another site. It's like having a second set of eyes that says, hey, maybe don't overpay for that. If you want to try it, the setup is simple. Click the link in the description, install Coupert on your browser, Chrome, Safari, whatever, and create a free account. Then just shop like you normally do. Coupert handles the rest quietly in the background. No weird pop-ups, no spam. It just saves you money or gives you cash back. That's it. If you're someone who buys stuff online even once in a while, this is kind of a no-brainer. It's free, it works, and it takes zero effort. Big thanks to Coupert for sponsoring this video. You'll find the link in the description. Give it a try.